2021 Toyota Tundra. It's getting a Corsa system. We just installed it. Ooh. It's basically a few nuts and bolts. It's a bolt-on system. Bolted on here. Here, we're gonna run it back through, no welding at all. You might be able to crank this out at home, but if you're in the area, you come to the best exhaust shop in the world, G Exhaust, J Come. We just set these tips. We gotta get a rag and wipe this off because you don't want that, but yeah, these are the Corsa tips. Look good right out of the side. This is the old system right here. This dusty, dirty thing. But the customer is gonna bring it home. That way, maybe in the future, if he wants to throw it back on to, you know, bring back the car or whatever, then he could do that to the dealership. All right, so let's bring it down and fire it up. Oh, what do you guys think of this color right here? It's a pretty dope truck, yo. I like this thing. The rims are nice. I think this is a limited edition. This might be the last V8 that they make. I'm not sure about that. All right, let's take a listen. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Look at all the links in the description. If you want, go to the G Exhaust website at gexhaust.com. Check out all the stuff we have over there. And we also have our Instagram. Yo, check out our Instagram. We have super dope videos on there too by my man, Bedio Grazzi.